As soon as we engage BF76, we notice a slight reduce in low end and high end. This is normal, this is part of the simulation, but when we engage CLA-76, we see a much straighter line, more transparent. Now, both of these plugins have been matched exactly to the same specs. I mean, the same gain reduction. Now, when we use Bluey, we see that there's a huge smear in the high end. And this doesn't mean anything, it just means the circuit is different or became different with time, which had me reach the conclusion that BF76 is a great compressor. It can be a little bit colorful, but that doesn't mean that it's not useful. It can be a great replacement for CLA-76, even the blue version.